Sora was the most anticipated AI tool of 2025. But now that it's widely available, does it live up to the hype? I tested it against Runway and Pika with 15 identical prompts. Sora produces the most cinematic output. Camera movements, depth of field, and lighting are film quality. Runway Gen 4 is close behind. Pika 2.0 focuses more on creative stylization. Runway follows complex prompts most accurately. Sora sometimes adds artistic interpretation you didn't ask for. Pika handles simple prompts well, but struggles with detailed scene descriptions. Pika generates fastest and cheapest. Sora is slowest but highest quality per frame. Runway is the best balance of speed, quality, and price for most creators. 15 prompt comparisons shown side by side, with slow-motion analysis of the most impressive and most failed generations from each tool. Which AI video tool would you use for your content? Comment below. Subscribe for the complete Sora tutorial covering every feature and trick.